is Louise, and today I'm filming my Partners in Cream update for July. I felt like sitting outdoors. It's pretty nice weather. This project was created by Stefan Dahlin. I will link them down below. And the idea is that you have 3 to 6 liquid/cream products that you want to use. And there's also the option of doing a quarterly refresh, but I realized that I don't really know. Like I was counting last night. I was like, is that every third month? So do you count January is when we start, so February, March, April. Is it April you can refresh? And then I got confused anyway. So I'm like, I'm not going to do quarterly refreshes. But anyway, so there are mosquitoes, but that's what you get. Wow, go away. So I have 3 items in this project, and the first one is the NYX Butter Gloss, and my goal is to use it 20 times. I have not reached that goal. I used it 3 times these past 4 weeks, so in total I have now used it 12 times. 8 more times to go. Yes. However, we have one item where I have reached my goal. So, the Chanel Stilo eyeshadow in Fresh Effect Eyeshadow 07 Moon River. You think that the product is up there, but as you know, it is not. It is now 2 pieces. Let's see if I can get them both out. Can you see them? 2 pieces. So I have to like hold them in my hand to use them. Last time I'd used the product a total of 17 times. This time I've used it 4 more times, and my goal was 21 times. So I have reached the goal. Super pleased. It is very finicky to use now, so it will be decluttered. Very pleased. Thank you. The third and final product so far is the sunscreen from the Swedish Pharmacy. My goal is to finish it. I have no idea how much I've used. Last month I've used it 3 times, and that means I've used it at least 18 times in total. I have 1 month where I didn't track the number of uses, so probably more uses than 18, but yes. I think it's almost done. Like when I squeezed it out this morning, it's sputtered, so And I've said before that I think it like can contribute to my eyes watering and being painful. I this morning made a very conscious effort to put it like very far away from my eyes. And Isa Skunero Starbay has commented like maybe make sure to wash your hands after you apply it before you put sunscreen on or makeup on, sorry. But since I put my sunscreen on at home and then I put the rest of my makeup on at work and I like wash my sponge in soap and water before I put my makeup on, I don't think that's the issue, but I'm going to be so much more aware of like me putting this on, washing my hands, and then, doing the next thing. But today when I was very adamant about keeping it far away from my eyes did not water, so maybe something else is making my eyes water. But no, because I know when I get this in my eyes, it hurts, so Anyway. So, I would like to add a product. So I have 3 again. And I've decided to add the Lumen Instant Glow Watercolor Blush in Universal Shade. I hate when things are called Universal Shade because this is not universal. And I swatched it before. This is what it looks like very blended out. It's very pretty. It's like a very... it's almost like a rosy bronze, So it could be like a sun-kissed look for me. Yeah. I've used it before in a project. That's why there are markings. But I will not have like a mark goal, I think. I'll just have a usage goal. So I'll try to use it 10 times. Yeah. So, yeah. That was the update. We have our kayaking things out there because we live pretty close to the sea, so could be fun. But yeah. Tomorrow we are apparently going to a comedy show. We had completely forgotten that we had bought tickets. My husband called me yesterday. He's like, "Did you know that we have tickets for a comedy show?" And I was like, "What?" We'd talked about it in December and like checked out the tickets and we're like, "Yeah, maybe we should, blah, blah," and then completely forgotten that we had actually booked and paid for tickets. And honestly, this is the best way for us to go do something like that because we can be such homebodies. So since this was more like a surprise, we haven't had it hanging over us. That sounds so negative, but we have a tendency to feel that like sometimes when we make plans too far in advance, it can feel like they're looming over us once they actually get nearer. So yeah, this is like perfect. We're like, oh my gosh, we're going to a comedy show. And now we're super excited. So that's fun. So that's tomorrow night. yes, that's it. I hope you're having a nice day, morning, evening, night, wherever you are in the world, in whatever season you're in. I'm very happy that it's summer here. Summer nights here are always so lovely. Yeah. Take care of yourselves, wash your hands, use sunscreen, and try to avoid getting it in your eyes. And I will see you next month with a new Partners in Creme update.